Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make poached eggs. They're super simple, easy, tasty and healthy. So next time if you want to make a fried egg, why not try and make a poached egg instead? If you're interested in making super easy, delicious recipes, then subscribe to my channel for regular updates and let's get started. So to make a poached egg, you will need a free-range egg. The more fresh your egg is, the better this will work. You will also need a pot filled with water at least halfway and a pinch of salt. If you want to, you can also add a teaspoon of vinegar, but I'm not going to be adding in that today. Start off by bringing your water to a rolling boil. Then crack your egg into a small bowl. If you crack your egg directly into the water, it could be quite messy if the yolk breaks. And if you stir it and the water cools down a little, then let it heat up for another minute. Then add your egg into the middle of the little well that you have created by stirring like this. Be careful when adding in your egg and make sure you don't burn yourself. And once you do that, then you can lower the temperature down to the lowest flame and leave it like this for at least a minute. My trick is to cover the pot with a lid for at least 2 to 3 minutes depending on the type of yolk you like. So if you like a runny yolk, then you can do it for 3 minutes, and if you want a firmer yolk, then you can cover it for at least 4 minutes. And when you remove the lid, it should be perfectly done. Then remove the egg with a slotted spoon and place it on a paper towel to remove the excess water. So to get started on the second one, you need to bring your pot of water to a rolling boil again. Even though you just made your first egg, you might think the water is hot enough, but actually it won't work if you don't bring it to a boil again. So once you've done that, then you can just repeat the steps and you should have another perfectly poached egg. Place it on a paper towel to remove the excess water and season with salt and pepper. I forgot to mention that I kept my flame on a low setting, but the water was on a gentle roll. If you follow this recipe, then let me know in the comments below how it turned out, and you can also tell me what type of egg you prefer, fried or poached. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, delicious recipes. And I hope to see you all next time.